Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can close, restore and minimize without mouse on computer. So this is how you can close, restore and minimize Windows without using a mouse on computer. So this shortcut works on most Windows system including Windows 11. So first, if you want to close a window, you can use keyboard shortcut Alt and F4. Let's enable the on-screen keyboard first. Okay, here you can click on Alt and also F4 on the keyboard. And it will close the windows that currently are active. And if you want to minimize, you can press on Windows and down arrow. So if the Windows is maximized just like this, the first press restore to its normal size. So you can just click on Windows and down arrow. It will minimize, but if you click it again, it will minimize the window. And if you want to restore a window is maximize or minimize, you can use Windows plus down arrow, or you can also use Alt and Tab to select the minimize windows, just like this. And you can also use the Alt plus space while the window is active, like this. And this menu will appear. You can just use your arrow keys to highlight the desired options and press on enter, just like this. And if you want to switch between windows, you can use again Alt plus Tab, and you can switch to another windows that you want, like this. So for additional tips, if a window is unresponsive, you can use Control plus Shift and Exit to open the task manager and close it from there. And for multitasking, you can use Windows plus Tab to access the task view for all open apps. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.